I'm actually trying to keep hydrated. Yeah. So anyways, guys, hello lovers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to A Life with B, and B so happens to be myself. This channel we talk about anything and absolutely everything that are my experiences. So if you are a lover of reality TV, welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so when that's said, okay. So what I put in my coffee scrub is obviously coffee grains, any coffee grains, and then I put brown sugar, any sugar of your own choice, or any sugar you guys have at home, and then I also placed in honey, and then I also placed in lemon inside. Okay, so the benefits of this scrub, actually it reduces cellulite, right? And then the sugar and honey produce a lot of moisture along with it because of the small molecules the sugar contains, which penetrates deep within the skin and it exfoliates it very well while moisturizing at the same time. And then another thing what I love about coffee is that it prevents acne. Guys, coffee does prevent acne. It literally does, hey? So like I said, I don't actually use these homemade remedies 365 days. I actually just use it like 5 times in a month or 5 times after 3 months. It just depends on how my skin is not behaving, okay? So also wondering where I got these cute little container bottles is that I got them from Pip in Dundee, and they're quite affordable, hey? And they come in like 7 bottles, different sizes, different shapes. Okay. So, and that said, let's move on to the next homemade remedy. So the next homemade remedy I love, absolutely love for my face is honey and turmeric. What I love the most about honey and turmeric is that turmeric actually reduces hyperpigmentation, right? And it lightens up the skin and it reduces your dark marks. It also promotes a lot of moisture when you have dry skin. Okay, so I think for people that are usually working in the sun a lot or they have dry skin, turmeric and honey can actually work well for you. And then my ultimate favorite face mask that I love using is aloe vera. Guys, aloe vera. Yo. I was watching this other video, I think it was 2 years back. This gentleman is like, if you have aloe vera, you have the ultimate medicine in your garden. Oh, guys, aloe vera does a lot. Right, so it does reduce your hyperpigmentation, it prevents your swelling, it prevents your sores, it repairs your skin, it gives you moisture. The general aloe vera that you can just pick up, and obviously you use the gel. And I know that aloe vera also works wonders with your hair. And now I am a witness for my skin. So yeah, that's the benefits of aloe vera and turmeric as well. It just brightens your skin and promotes a lot of moisture, which is still the same thing that aloe vera does. Okay. I don't know about aloe vera gel that you guys can purchase at beauty supply store. I know about the natural aloe vera that you can actually pick out of your garden or you can actually buy at your grocery store, and then you just cut it up and you get the gel and you just put it on your face and let it sit for a while. And another homemade remedy I wanted to share, which this remedy removes your dark areas under your underarm. So it's bicarbonate of soda, lemon, and water, guys. It does actually work. I don't know, because this product I only started this year. Yeah, I used it for 5 days. I saw a difference. But obviously it's gonna come back, child. But I think if you continuously use it, continuously use it, it'll actually help you. Okay. Homemade remedy I like using is for my lips. Okay, so I put it in the small container. It also came with the bottles from Pip. Yeah. So with the lips, it's just a sugar scrub. It's brown sugar, honey, lemon, as well as It's brown sugar, lemon, honey. Yeah, and then I just rub it on my lips and let it sit for a while. I do it like 3 times and then I remove it, then I bath. I saw a huge difference here. There was a huge difference. Another thing that I added on the sugar lips scrub is bicarbonate of soda. Actually, bicarbonate of soda, I'm not sure what it contains. So yeah, guys, and those are all the homemade remedies. I wanted to add the benefits as well, just so you guys can also know. Another thing about turmeric and honey as well. Okay, one thing I know about turmeric and honey when mixed together, they do repair your tissue scars within your face and they improve your blood circulation. As you know that you need to have a lot of blood circulation. So all these remedies promote, or rather one of the benefits is a skin glow and a radiant skin as well. So it's similar to the products that we actually buy with money and we use specifically for our bodies. But now there's actually like remedies you can get from your kitchen and you guys can start using them. So yeah, I don't really want this video to be long, but I already feel like the video is long, child. I really need to stop sticking out my tongue. What's wrong with you? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful year and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye.